So it's probably just going to be a quick video, but check out the Pentas on this W123, well C123 coupe. I'm at a Mercedes-Benz workshop down in Lat Phrao, Bangkok, and they specialise in 70s and 80s, I believe, maybe a little older Mercedes. 280, but it's a rubber bumper. There used to be a few Mercedes buried out in this ground. Sangyong, which were Mercedes powered, I believe, or developed in part with Mercedes at the time. Just a shame you can't get parts for them in England very easily. Poor SLC, waiting for a rebuild. You've got this beautiful 220 Fintail, which is awaiting restoration. Here's one that has been restored. Lovely 190 or a 200 W110 in absolutely beautiful condition. And got your Suzuki out front, more modern CRK, which is actually quite a rare car here. I wonder if that's a 108. I believe that's a 108 because of the headlight shape. Looks like this one's been here a day or two. Parts car all ready for restoration. Might be a bit sneaky, and hope they don't mind. It is closed today, but they've got another SRC in a workshop, a 114, 108, a 108 up on the ramps, and a couple of 114s behind. And this one has been restored already, is a 200. No 116s though. So yeah, just a not abandoned as such. They're just parts in waiting restoration. There used to be a few more here, so out in there. Left-hand drive. Again, that's unusual here. So probably going to be for parts, based on being left-hand drive. Thailand has strict laws about driver's side of vehicles here. Yeah, the 280 coupe, right-hand drive. So I thought I'd just make a quick video here, and I will catch you on the next one.